Have you ever seen a really tall skyscraper and wondered, when the wind blows hard, how does that huge building stay standing? Can't it fall over? Let's find out how engineers make skyscrapers strong and safe, even in storms. The problem: wind gets stronger the higher you go, the taller the building. The stronger the wind it feels near the top. Some skyscrapers can be over 100 floors high, and the wind up there can be powerful, like the wind during a storm or even a typhoon. If engineers didn't plan carefully, the building might sway too much. People inside could feel dizzy or unsafe. The solution: smart design and hidden tricks. Engineers use smart designs to help skyscrapers resist the wind. 1. Flexible, not stiff skyscrapers are designed to sway a little bit in the wind, just like trees do. Small, controlled movement helps the building stay strong. If it were too stiff, it could crack. 2. Strong foundations. The base of the skyscraper is built deep underground. With strong materials like concrete and steel, this foundation keeps the whole building balanced, even in strong winds. 3. Special shapes. Some skyscrapers are designed with rounded edges, special twists, or unique shapes. These designs help the wind flow around the building instead of pushing hard against it. 4. Dune mass dampers. Some super tall buildings have a hidden dune mass damper, which is a giant heavy ball or block inside the building near the top. When the building sways, the heavy damper moves in the opposite direction to balance it out. It works like a giant counterweight, keeping the skyscraper steady even when the wind is strong. The Taipei 101 skyscraper in Taiwan has one of the world's biggest dune mass dampers, a huge metal ball weighing over 660 tons. It helps the building stay stable during strong winds and even earthquakes. Skyscrapers can withstand strong winds thanks to flexible designs, deep foundations, special shapes, and sometimes giant hidden dampers that keep the building steady and safe.